I just bought dog food and Doyle's kind of going a little crazy about it. Right, buddy? He's like, give me all the foods. Look at that tail. Look at that tail. Oh, man. Well, hello and welcome to Vuly day 13. Today is another late vlog. It is 5:09. See? Can you see? It's 5:09. I just got home. I went to the hardware store, got keys, and right next to the hardware store is Petco, so I got Doyle his doggy food, as well as I got more of these guys. These are the things I usually buy on Amazon, but they had them and they were on sale. So they're the Red Barn 5-inch steer sticks, which means they're like the little pizzle sticks or whatever. Oh, and I have to show you my key. It's super cute. I got a bunch of like random keys, not random, but you know, my own key now that it's like locked. But look at this key, not cute? Oh, it's not focusing. Okay, hold on, let me turn you around. It's not focusing. Look at that key, it's so cute. It says home on it. So cute. So that's what I got. They're by 3D Keys. And then I got a key for whoever decides to watch Doyle someday because, you know, it's like a fox in the house. And this is Wackies, ha 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 ha. I did call my parents to see if they were home because I was gonna drop off keys for them since they don't have keys to my place anymore because they don't work any longer, but they didn't answer my call. But they have been going to this like insurance class thing, I don't know. So I think they might be at that. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's where they are right now. I got home and my dishes are done. They were actually done this morning because I like to run it like late at night after, you know, I go to bed. But I always like to open it up so to like let the air out. So anyway, I'm gonna put those away and then I will check in with you guys in a little bit. Oh, also, I got a box over there. I'm not gonna get too close because it's got my address on it. And I'm pretty sure that is that other fry pan. So I will look at that in just a moment. So there's Doyle, who's very, very interested. It was very difficult to actually put this in here because Doyle would not get out of the way. You really want some? Go ahead, you can have some. Go ahead. Go ahead. Here. You want the piece? Doyle, it's the same crap that's over here. It's like, I don't care, it's new. But if you guys are interested, this is what I get him. It is the Natural Balance Potato and Duck formula, and it's the limited ingredient diet because somebody with the wiggly tail has a problem licking. Yeah, he's gross. Okay. So it starts to smell like dog food in there. This needs to go out in the garbage can and this top needs to go on that. Right, Doyle? So funny, buddy. Okay, so change of plans. I am on my way to my parents' house. I'm stopped at a light right now so I can vlog. They are home. My mom had her ringer turned off or something. So anyway, but I am going to, this person's like creeping on me. Okay, so sorry for the abrupt end to that clip, but anyway, I live in a town full of like really old people, so like nobody gets what I'm doing. Not that like normal people would understand either, but you know, whatever. But anyway, I'm at my parents' house now, so I am gonna go in and hang out. I don't know if I'll vlog, maybe I will. I may or may not have dinner, I don't know. My mom said that dinner would be done in like a little while, but I need to get home because there's a diaper sale happening and I'll get into the diaper sale in a little bit. I'll explain what's going on. And no, I am not with child. Don't worry, okay guys? Doyle is gonna be the only sibling ever. All right, well, let's go in and we'll take a peek around. All right, so I just got to my parents' house and my mom is doing what the cool kids are doing. Look at that. She's spinning the fidgets.
Oh, here, it goes better this way.
Yeah. See?
Yeah.
Where did you get that?
Fleet Farm.
Man, Fleet Farm selling it. It must be cool.
Fleet Farm has everything.
I guess, including blue fidget spinners.
I know. It was a pretty blue. It's
I know these
tricky.
these are like for people that have anxiety. It would give me anxiety to have one. Oh, hey Marlene, the vlog would like to see you. Do you want to be on the vlog? Because I've got a question for you. All right, so here's my Aunt Marlene.
Yes.
Some of you guys asked in the Dragon House vlog when you came in for the first time, what brand your shirt was. Like where you got your shirt that you were wearing when you were traveling. Do you remember what shirt that was?
What was I wearing?
I don't know, you were wearing a top and there was a couple people that asked where you got it and I said, I don't know.
I have to go back and look at the picture because I don't remember what I was wearing.
All right, let's find it. Hold up. That shirt.
Kohl's. That shirt was from Kohl's
All right.
last
You
year.
heard it here first. She got it at Kohl's.
Last year's model.
All right, I'll let them know. So that's what's happening here. Whoa, it's really dark. Whoa,
Oh, a nice camera.
Myron's here too.
This shirt here
Things are-
was
yeah.
from North Branch.
North Branch.
North Branch.
North Branch what?
Minnesota.
Yeah, I know, but like North Branch doesn't sell shirts.
It was the Nike store.
Oh, Nike store in North Branch. There you
Yes.
go.
It says Twin Cities.
I see that.
Yeah.
All right, well apparently I'm gonna stay for dinner because it's like done, I guess. Here's what's happening over at the other table. Oh my goodness, look at all of the sausages.
I know it. Oh, I need some kind of.
Whoa. And what is this, potato sausage?
Yes.
All right, potato sausage from Bob's Produce.
Bob's Produce. Some kind of pokey thing where it would stick in there so I can cut it.
Like a fork?
Like a fork.
Like a fork. And then there's like a cold noodle salad, which looks delish. And I think some vegetables. Oh, look at the vegetables. Oh, I am back in my mess. So I am on my computer and I am getting ready for the diaper sale. So it's a diaper day. My friend Kristen that lives out in Boston, her son wears these cloth diapers that she's like a huge fan of, and these websites will have sales, but there's like, I don't know, specific prints or something, and they're like a limited edition, so they only allow like a certain amount per seller, or not per seller, but like per buyer, I guess. So sometimes if she really likes the prints, she'll ask me if I can buy some of them, and so I say, sure. Let me know when the sale is happening. There have been some instances in the past where I haven't been able to help her because it's been in the middle of the day and I've been working and I don't know if I'm gonna be at my desk or what's gonna be happening. But this one's happening in the evening. So I don't know the name of the actual diaper brand, but let me find it for you. It's something with an L. Let me see here. Lullaby Baby. Let me turn you around and I'll show you. So this is the brand that my friend Kristen is obsessed with. So this is all that's on this particular website, but I guess there's like a launch happening in just a little bit. So I got my account, I'm ready. I'm just waiting for it to say go. So in the meantime, I am looking for sofas and just had a conversation with my friend Kristen. She's actually got 2 Shibas. And I asked her how she felt about, cause she has a really big like leather sectional sofa, and how she felt about the wear and tear having, you know, 2 Shibas and stuff, and she hates it. She actually got hers from Macy's, which I'm on Macy's.com right now. That's totally a coincidence, but a bunch of you had suggested to try out Macy's, and there is a Macy's home store in Edina, Minnesota. So maybe I'll go there one day and take a look around. You know, my friend Kristen, she's like, you know, she's like, if I had to do it all over again, I would do fabric. And she's like, and I will do fabric next time because there's just no way that I would ever do a leather ever again. So I'm just kind of browsing the styles that they have. You know, a lot of them have, you know, definitely, you know, 4, 5, 6, sometimes more options for the actual fabric. But I don't know, I'm just kind of like looking through them. But I really had this vision of a recliner, but all the recliners, I feel like what I want doesn't really exist. Sometimes, do you guys ever get stuck on an idea, like a home idea or a design idea, and that's all you can think about, but then like you're not satisfied with anything that's like on the open market. It's kind of where I'm at. So I think I'm gonna have to compromise a little bit, which is fine. I just don't know what I want. I think I just need to go there and sit on some stuff and, you know, see what speaks to me, because nothing on the internet is speaking to me at all. So yeah. Also, I need to work on my Friday video because I haven't actually edited any of the footage, but I think I'm gonna at least get started on that, and then I can always upload it overnight or whatever too. So that's what I'm doing. I'm buying diapers tonight, you guys, and when I not get them, but like when I put them in my cart, I will show you guys, because it's an interesting little adventure tonight. By the way, I totally forgot to show you guys. This is the print of the cloth diapers that Kristen wanted. So I ended up getting a pink one and a blue one. I think it was called, yeah, it's called the Palm Springs and the Palm Beach. So yeah, so those are gonna be shipping to her house because I have no use for them. All right, my export is successful. In the middle of doing all of that, I was actually editing my Financial Friday video. So that is good to go. I just need to get it uploaded. That's what I'm doing right now. I need to upload it to private first because this is not a vlog where it just kind of goes up when it goes up. And in this Financial Friday, I'm talking about the power of saying no. I hope you guys enjoy it. I mean, it's like, really, it's just from my perspective, and I feel like a lot of you guys end up really liking those kinds of videos. So, I mean, if it's a flop, oh well. There's gonna be next Friday, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna get this uploaded. I have about 47 minutes left on the upload, so I need to mess with my description, create my thumbnail, and just kind of let this ride for the evening. So I think that is going to be it. I already showed you Doyle earlier. He's all the way upstairs in the bedroom, so I don't really want to bug him. So I already showed you him earlier today. That's it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to post them down below. I'm gonna get this footage into my computer and hopefully edited tonight, maybe. I don't know. I might edit it tomorrow after I get home from work. I don't know. I'll see how tonight goes with this upload. So hopefully it's not full of technical difficulties. We'll see though. But anyway, Friday is laundry day, which is always exciting. And that means that I get to sleep in on Saturday because I've got nothing going on because I'm super boring. But I am planning on doing a bunch of organizing projects this weekend, mainly my bathroom and my vanity. I really need to tackle that. I will show you guys a little bit of that, but I am gonna be filming a dedicated video for those two areas. But I wanna take the vlog along as much as I can before those videos come out. But anyway, that is it. I am gonna see you guys tomorrow. Feel free to thumbs up the video if you liked it. Feel free to subscribe as well. I'm typically here every Monday, Wednesday, Friday with new content at 9 AM Central Standard. And today is your Friday, so you're actually gonna see my Friday video before you see this video. But right now I'm doing the Vuly and I did the VLUNE. So those playlists will be down below in the description if you guys wanna catch up and see my home buying journey and home renovation journey. But yeah, so I'm gonna jet and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.